folks, welcome back to another video. So today we're back here with the RD4 transmission rebuild, and I was going to remove this cross shaft and get working on that, but I've been thinking about it and I decided now is the time. I'm going to put the cover back on this in case I don't get to it before snow flies. And we are going to go over here to our parts selection. I'm going to move this engine out of the way, move the power stroke engine out of the way, move the winch, and this is where we have our RD4 parts transmission. And what I want to do is get the gear selectors off, the shift rails off, and get the gears torn out of this, so that when as soon as I get the cross shaft out of that the RD4, I can just swap it right in, and it's not just sitting waiting for that to get torn down. And that's a rusty mess compared to this one that was actually always in use. So yeah, let's get started. First things first, tractor work. Alright folks, let's get this thing chained to the tractor. And since the last video that I lifted this engine, I have turned the hydraulics up as hard as I can. So these hydraulics are now pushing 3,000 pounds, which is what the hoses are rated for, so that's what I set the regulator at. So we should now be able to easily lift this, as in the last video we were only making about 2,300 pounds. So it should easily lift this now, and we will find out. Be right back. All right, we'll see how it lifts it this time. Well, I had to give it some throttle, but other than that, it did all right. We'll probably set it right over here for now. Much better. I think turning up the hydraulics was the best thing I did to this tractor. that don't keep it from tipping over, nothing will. All right, let's get the winch. Put it right there. All right, folks, there you have it. Oh, it's a whole lot of moving stuff around, man. All right, so we moved the winches. That's right, almost forgot. Next thing I gotta do is put the top cover back on here, and we're gonna cover it up in case we get snow before I have that one taken all apart. And this parts one really is in, I mean, the bearings are probably in better shape, but the shift rails are rusty. It turns smooth. But that's about the beginning and the end of it. These are all rusty, so getting these shafts out is gonna really suck. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. But yeah. All right. Cover on. All right, folks, there we have it. I'll put this cover on. That there. Set something heavy on it. Keep the water out. There we go. There she sits. All right, folks, that'll be it for this video. See you in the next video, where we will be taking this parts transmission apart. So hope you enjoyed. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It'll really help out my channel. If you want to continue seeing the progress we're making on this RD4, hit that subscribe button so you'll never miss another video. Thanks for watching.